guys, Teresa here. I just got this red light therapy belt in the mail that I'm very excited about. I thought we could kind of unbox it together, talk through why you need a red light belt or why you can have a red light belt, and then I'll show you how to use it, put it on. So basically every human needs light, just like sleep, food, and this belt provides you with red light therapy. So it increases your cellular function, it helps with inflammation and pain relief, it improves blood flow, it helps with sleep optimization. Sorry, I'm just reading through this because there are so many benefits to this. I want to make sure I don't miss any. It helps with recovery, healing, and performance. It aids in skin health and beauty, mental acuity. I mean, the list goes on and on. So really, red light therapy is a very low risk, highly trusted form of just health, and helps you recover, sleep better, perform better, helps with your cells, etc. So this belt in particular has two waves of light. The first is a 660 red light and an 850 near infrared light. And so they're fairly different, but the red light is absorbed by surface tissue and cells, leading to enhanced skin health and healing. And the near infrared light, the NIR light, penetrates into deeper tissues, leading to enhanced recovery and inflammation support. So, I mean, truly, this booklet has so much information about red light therapy and when to use what for what need. So highly recommend reading through this booklet. I mean, it talks through the standard treatment, what you're wanting, if you want to use it daily, or what it'll do for your makeup, for your water, for clothing. I mean, this is very, very all-inclusive. Okay, so this is the red light patch where you can put anywhere on your body that is needing the red light therapy. I'll probably just put it on my abdomen so you guys can easily see it, and it's supposed to help with inflammation, healing, and my stomach has been a little upset lately, so I think this might help. It comes with the plug-in cord and the power remote, so it has the power function, a time function, it looks like an intensity, and the different modes of lights, and then the adapter as well. So I'm going to plug this into the wall right here, and then it plugs in right to the red light patch here. It also comes with a little belt and a pouch if you're wanting to, secure it to your body for a longer period of time, which is nice. Okay, so I'm going to tuck it into my pants right here. That way I don't even need to use the belt. I can just kind of tuck it in here. Okay, so I hit the power button. This kind of circular button here with the arrows is how you choose between the light waves. So either the infrared light or the red therapy light. So I think I'm going to do the infrared light because that's for deeper tissue recovery. And then if you hit the plus minus button, that changes the intensity level. So I think I'm going to start with level 2-ish. It's out of 4, so I'm just going to kind of do a mid-level to see how it feels. And then there is a time button here to set a treatment time from 5 to 30 minutes. And so with this, you can sit, you can stand, you can lay down. If you do have a portable USB port, you are able to kind of walk around with it, but I'm going to be plugged into the wall. And it says for beginners, starting with 10 minutes per treatment area is kind of the starting point. So I can't wait to start adding this to my post-workout recovery. As you can tell, I just got home from the gym. I did abs today, but like I said, I've also been just dealing with some digestive issues. So I can't wait to start adding this to my recovery routine, and just love all of the benefits that red light therapy has, and can't believe how informative this product booklet is. So if you are in the market for a new form of therapy that you can do at home, highly recommend red light therapy. It has so much research behind it and has so many benefits. So enjoy. See ya.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.